the same thing with your angle is that your shin and your foot, it has to be in this perpendicular triangle. Because
Okay.
when I saw you were doing the hop before,
It was like
your
this.
yeah, it was kind of loose on the other side. So
Okay.
when you do the hop, your both feet has to apply fascial tension.
Okay. Absolutely. Yeah, that left one is very sore now, man. Like I've never felt that type of like activation in my foot before.
Mm.
But the hops now?
Yep. Okay, ready? And both feet and start. And rest.
Yo, at first I felt I felt like a connection to the floor with this leg that I haven't felt in a while. Like the first time we began this, it was like easy like fatigue, like easy like bouncing. This one was more easy. I'm not sure how it looked like for you, but I felt more like grounded, if that makes sense. Like I felt like I didn't feel as fatigued as the first
Good.
time.
Good.
So
Good. Because you did it correct. It was the lock was very good.
was this locked?
Yeah, it was.
Hey, that's good. Okay.
That's good. Oh, how do you feel? You didn't feel much calf, right?
I felt all more glutes.
All glutes.
More glutes than ever.
Good,
like
man.
dude, like when you say go, I was like, whoa, I like at first when you say go, I felt my things like my like ankle. I thought it was gonna be way worse than this one.
Mm-hmm.
This one like locked up, like really well. But
Right.
anyways, it was good, man.
Yeah, because this side is much better, and you can feel like your calf. You didn't feel any calf, right?
Yeah, I didn't feel any calf. I didn't feel no. Like towards the end, maybe like a little bit, but like I felt like my whole body was working as one,
Right.
and like a light bulb just came into my head. Like what? Like like everything just like clicked.
Yes, because you did it very well in the last one. That
Yeah.
was much better than your other leg.
Yeah.
All right. Get ready and start. Good. Concentrate. Both feet. Very good. Concentrate and rest.
Yeah, the whole leg now just fatigue on that one. The whole leg. I felt more calf now, and I went at the tibialis.
Mm-hmm.
But it was like that was working, and the glute was like burning at the same time. So, but it was
Good.
that one was tough. I'm not gonna lie.
Stay where you are and rest. How do you feel?
Same like last week, just feel my entire body after that.
How do you feel? Where do you feel it?
Glutes, the core, chest.
Chest too now.
My ankle.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been feeling the chest for a while.
Okay, good. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you feel in each body part?
Well, my ankles 10, glutes about a 9, chest about a 8, core about an 8.
Oh, wow. Okay. Very good. All right. We're going to take a little break and start with the marble exercise number 2 is the triangle.